everyone. Good morning. Today is June 23, 2026, and the time is 10:30 a.m. Before we proceed, may I request the Secretariat to lead the prayer. Again, may I request the Secretariat to confirm whether we have a forum.
You know, Mr. Chairman, so historically, is acknowledging the presence of our back chairman, Engineer James Ryan Cabonero, sir. We also have our back vice chairman, Engineer Jonathan Correlation, sir. We have our back members. We have Engineer Jimmy Harris, sir. Engineer Judica Pidacales, ma'am, and also Ms. Annie Mocado, ma'am. Also, we have our back PWG head. We have Engineer Jacqueline A. Araez, ma'am. And also, we have our back PWG, Mr. Napoleon Popon. Also, we have our back secretariats. We have Engineer Henry Ellis Marasigan, sir, and also Engineer Elena and Banfidan. And also, we'd like to acknowledge our viewers from our YouTube live stream as well as this.
Thank you, ma'am. With the presence of a quorum, I call this pre-bid conference to order. For the record, we are here today to conduct the pre-bid conference for contract ID number GLA 0022 or PR number 26-06-24 and PR numbers and 26-06-25. Purchase of construction materials, latex and reflectorized paint, and road safety materials, thermoplastic paint for use in maintenance section along national roads and bridges, intermittent sections, double Occidental DO Manila. For road sections, double Sarangani Coastal Road, Pinolo Calabel, Little Baguio Road, Highway Junction Mana Ticulod, Lumit, Little Baguio Road. CY 2026 with approved budget for the contract of 1,950,716 pesos and 70 centavos. The purpose of this pre-bid conference is to clarify and explain the eligibility, technical, and financial requirements of this project. This is the official venue for prospective bidders to raise questions or seek clarifications to ensure competitive, fair, and transparent bidding process. To keep things orderly, we will follow this process. The TWG or end user will give a brief presentation of the project specifications and requirements. Next, we will open the floor for your questions, and please state your name, and for the prospective bidders, please state your name and the company you're representing for asking a question. Please note that any verbal clarifications made today must be followed up by an official or bid bulletin to be legally binding. I now turn the floor over to the end user or technical working group to present the documents, bidding documents and technical specifications. Please proceed.
PR number 26-06-024. We have the purchase to construct construction. Of construction materials, latex and reflectorized paint, and low safety materials, the thermoplastic paint for use in maintenance section and national roads and bridges. Ang intermittent section, Davao Occidental Dito, Maligta, Davao Sarangani Coastal Road, Bunulog Alabel Little Baguio Road, and Highway Junction Man, Napipulong Laguna Little Baguio Road. For the CY 2026, so for this project, we have a GBC of 1,950,716.70 pesos. And also, the scheduled opening bids for this project will be on July 6, 2026. And the move of procurement for this project. That will be all, Mr. Chair. And then, more siya, requirements natin. So, for the contractor, they must also submit the LCC, SLCC, the ongoing projects, related ongoing projects for the leaders.
Security, organizational chart.
And all the business. We all the requirements of the interested leaders for this project, for this PR inspection. So we have also conducted scoping as we have discussed last week procurement for this PR inspection.
The BAC also expressly remind prospective bidders that their obligation to fully and truthfully disclose all ongoing and awarded but not yet started contracts, including DPWH, other government and private contracts, by submitting the duly accomplished statements. The BAC also remind that failure to submit and declare any ongoing and awarded but not yet started contract constitutes a ground for disqualification and imposition of appropriate sanctions. The prospective bidders also is reminded to ensure that the NFCC verification is diligently undertaken using complete set of information, but not limited to bidder statement of ongoing and awarded contracts. But yet it started, submitted, latest audited financial statement and NFCC computation. The floor is now open for questions from the back members or any clarifications that you need to inquire from the end users. Clarification is second tab na ito ni competitive people, for goods. I-include mo na itong testing sa materials natin. Ay, wala ko ba ito naka-stage ba? Before ang sa tiruan. acceptance yun sa inyo. Kabalo ito mga acceptance.
Kabalo ang material.
Oh, okay. Purchase good na bro.
Gamitin mo siya sa
Kaya gamitin siya sa maintenance.
So ganun testing. So ganun testing kanila sa...
Okay, construction materials, mga siya good.
Things. Nabi na sa reward na siya, sir. Nahigas niya sa mga personal sandwiches.
So ganun po na testing.
Sa iyo.
Ganun ba sa...
Oh, that's good.
Tanaw na ako lang ang requirement.
OTP number, OTP mo na ito, yung pay, diba mo na. Right? 150, hindi pa pila. System mo na rin,
Naman mo pa. Oh,
pay mo ulit puro pay, mas ulit puro pay. Balo din puro o gano'n.
Na siya yung bag, na siya yung daylahin siya ko.
Units.
Na siya yung galon.
Ang powder, pero nakaputang good thermoplastic pen. Pen. So, dili din siya powder kay pink man. Di man o, latex, anti-pinturized pen. Ang good safety materials, thermoplastic pen. Powder dati, thermoplastic powder. Oh, yung powder man atong i-request ani, di ba? Powder by sack man eh.
Gamitan niyo ni kanang gaining machine.
Yes, by sack.
Kiling white kung yellow ni mo ma'am kay kuha na niyo no.
Right.
25 kilo grams
That may
kuha na siya. Ako din pa ako.
powder na, powder.
Nakapag-test mo yung ano ba? Kasi boss
Pas na
nito
ito,
ba?
ma'am.
Katong first years, kaya nagapag-test mo.
Lalo na sir.
Si Japanese yan.
Lalo na siya sir. Kaya nagapangayot din yung result sa claims.
Ito lang po nang i-practice po ma'am. Basta construction materials ma'am.
Before payment, sir. Before payment,
Sige, mauna na.
delivered.
Delivery sa mga. Upon delivery din mo pa.
Expense.
testing na.
Before completed deliveries, before payment. Kasi ba kung mapapaan mo, kaya doon niya, yung bayad na, babayad ka sa sila ka na, mga gusto mo na correction.
Mama lang ba ni ma'am ng
Pero masaya
di kayo kami muray sa efficiency mo doon ma'am. Hindi na po muray mo. Pero ayun na lang po.
So, magkatagal yung nagkakit para hindi pang pag-tip sa
Paano po ang pag-ibig na check ko na kung pila ang mga required. Ito lang ma'am.
Napigilan mga semento, nagbabaw, nakabuo. Bato, lapit-lapit, yung mga gina-require.
Eh para ma-inform na to si contractor, magpunta na to sa terms of reference kung pila ang required na number of tests sa
Wala pa yun sa preference.
wala yung terms of reference no? Asa yan na ito na pag-ipunta no? Mag-add pa ba ng base sa procurement process?
Wala sa procurement, wala naman tayo. Ito na na sa
acceptance na yung
sa acceptance na kayo. Basta wala na. Pwede na siya, isuma na lang siya. Pwede na tayo sa POR.
Ito na lang nilagay, ito ang yun. Sige ni supplemental. Supplemental.
Hindi na POR. Hindi na tayo. So, na lang siya. Supplemental na lang yung statement.
pero kung bakit sa
Okay, mo i-require mo pati mga ng ban.
ano ba naman kasi gusto ko din
Sige na.
Bali, mabawasan na yung state dito, mabawasan na yung item na quantity.
Ano na dito? Panalitan. 100. Di na po sure every 100 cans. Kuha man nag-isa ka. Cans. Subject for subject for testing. Ingat naman po kayo, hindi ko lang po sa lang tapos siyempre i-check man yung mga army ng bibig na rin, no? So, mag-provide na napunta ka mga army ng gatong required number of test. Okay, para ma-aware ko sa mga army na kung ano yung pila ka branch ang
Wala, wala.
para sakto ko na mo yung tingin niyo. Wala to ako sa
So, got all the concern ni natin. So, magpapano na naman, issue na tawag supplemental or bulletin. Ikaw na mag-report kasi yung mga required nyo para ma-post na to siya tayo.
Siya request for supplemental bulletin.
okay lang picture na lang.
Na siya ko
Oo.
kasi raso na to. Kasi mo na siya kami i-attach. Ako lang sa doon.
Ms. Secretariat, please ensure that the specific inquiry and our response are accurately captured in the minutes. So, do you have any more questions other than?
I would just like to clarify, Mr. Chairman, we will add or will issue a supplemental bulletin with regards to the conduct of material testing for the construction materials. So we will wait for the request of the, is there no request? We'll wait for the request from the quality assurance section with regards to the issuance of the supplemental.
If there are no further questions, let me remind all prospective bidders of the following dates for this project. Deadline for submission of written clarifications. Sabi na natin, if ever manas na yung mga clarifications, target release of supplemental bid bulletin. 7 days. So,
July 6. So,
July 6, January, June.
June 9, last.
June 29?
June
29. So target release of the supplemental bid bulletin will be on June 29. And deadline for submission and opening of bids, July 6, 2026 at 10 a.m. So there being no other matters to discuss, the pre-bid conference for contract ID number 26GLE0022 is hereby adjourned. Thank you for your attendance and to our YouTube viewers who are watching us right now. Please like and click subscribe to update further development activities in this district. Have a great day.
Happy Christmas.
Happy